Hello, my name is Dean Ramsden, and I am a therapeutic energy healer. This is episode 10 of my personal journey through a classic in energy healing studies, the book Hands of Light by Barbara Brennan. Published in 1988 by Bantam Books, this, along with its sister volume Light Emerging, show the way towards combining energy healing work with body-centered psychology, specifically core energetics, while also pulling from the Pathwork Guide channel lectures. Midway in the book, Hands of Light, you will find Chapter 21, titled Preparation for Healing, a chapter that still holds up today as guidance in keeping your body open so as to allow the flow of prana or chi through your own body. Currently at 70 years old, and after exploring the Brennan system since it was first published in the late 1980s, I still see value in these and related exercises in keeping my body able to channel energy. Now, there are lots of ideas about what allows prana or chi to flow through the body, including, of course, the meridian system in traditional Chinese medicine. For those of us like myself who have studied Qigong, Tai Chi Chuan, and other body-based healing systems, it seems likely that the flow of prana or chi is via the delicate webbing of the fascia system. While muscles are strengthened by resistance training using weight, prana or chi is developed and maintained via the opening of joints and the effect of stretching and twisting the body, allowing the fascia to energize prana and or chi along its length and move where it needs to go for our health. This is why Indian yoga stresses body calisthenics as being essential to health, and in the tantric or spiritual developmental paths, this is necessary to charge the main chakras of the body so they can work optimally. Here in Hands of Light, almost lost amongst all the other offerings, is a reference to this vital part of our healer training. For serious practitioners of energy healing, your daily or regular practice of some form of yoga or calisthenics will maintain or even strengthen over time your ability to run bioenergy for your client, and even will help with distance energy work. Let's look at one of these exercises from Hands of Light, which you will find labeled Figure 11.4. It looks like the yoga pose called the full wheel pose or back bridge. In this figure, Barbara shows a client using a stool for support so the spine can flex and open backward, releasing tension and stress as illustrated in the book. Obviously, if you have any form of spinal injury or spinal malformation, this should be done with care or even avoided if medically dangerous. But if your spine is up for it, this supported back bend opens the chest, stretches the diaphragm, and opens and stretches the fascia and the spine in a way that generates a lot of free-flowing prana. I myself use two yoga props to do this. The first is the foam roller, and the second prop is the yoga wheel. Try it for yourself, not only to open your spine, but to pause in the wheel pose long enough to feel a significant change in your own energy or in your physical body. I hope this short visit to the preparation for healing chapter of Hands of Light encourages you to try out other suggestions Brennan makes, as well as to add to it from other sources or styles of calisthenics that accomplish the same thing. The study of fascia health and fascia exercises should always be included in our own self-care practices so our own pranic flow can encourage the client's pranic flow to follow suit, to move also with freedom and in balance. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.